Boom Pals app, and this is the Canary home security camera. It's kind of like a hidden camera type deal, or disguised. This is supposed to have motion sensors come on whenever it senses something, and it's supposed to have a web storage available.
Have an app for your phone so you can view the house from your smartphone. Have you seen this on the news where someone had caught a person breaking in their house, stealing
Kind of
things?
looks like a little speaker.
Yeah, it looks like a speaker, so we're going to trick our kids for a little while so we can spy on them. And then later we'll tell them it's a camera. But if they ask what it is, we're going to say it's a speaker.
Trust but verify.
Yeah.
This is the power source. And there's a cord port.
Only in the living room, though. We're not going to set it up in our bedrooms. It might be a little creepy.
Yeah, it's kind of creepy. Power cord, I guess, what is this for? So we'll look it up. While we're downloading the app, I'll start taking this apart. Maybe the bird will cuss for us. This over the top. It's got like a plastic over the top of it. App is downloaded, and it's supposed to lead you through a setup process, which we'll have to set up as far as email and passwords go. Basically, it walks you through the setup process, and then it shows you what it can do. So the app does pretty much everything for it. So we've got it plugged in, which this one looks different than that. And your mom's giving us messages. And it says pair. See a button, but it's already blinking, and it's asking to connect and pair. And it connects to the Wi-Fi. And I'll put in the password. It pairs, it connects to the network through the password, of course. You set up for which room you're going to put it in. And now it's updating. So we'll wait on that. It goes and show you the 3 modes it has: away, home, and night. Away is whenever you're not at home and something is moving, it'll send you notifications. Which, if we're away, I guess we wanted. Well, we got dogs. I'll decide later. And at home. Record the motion. And it'll wake you up while you sleep. I'll decide later.
Might catch some ghosts walking around in here.
Yeah. Auto mode switching. Oh, yeah, I guess it figures it out. It learns what you do, kind of like the Nest. And it sets a schedule based on what you do. White light will appear when Canary records motion. It's working right now. It's a white light. Must be recording some motion.
That's the white model.
And we're still waiting on it.
You got the black model.
Really?
Well, it's not a white light.
No, it's a white light. See the white light on the bottom?
On the picture, it looks like it lights up white.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's white. It's
No, but on the picture on the phone, it's a light white.
Oh, okay, gotcha. Updating complete. Gives you a quick tour of the basics of this thing does. You'll see our messy.
Turn it the other way.
Messy.
I don't want to see the
There it is.
kitchen.
Yeah. No, I've got a good picture of the table. All right, there it is. The live picture.
You can't see anything on the phone. Oh, there it goes.
I just set it up right. It's kind of a little delay, I guess. That's cool.
Can I set it up on the
Sound siren.
Oh! Oh,
So you can scare the kids. And an emergency call. I'm not going to do that one.
Really? Can I set it up on the mantle?
Tells the
so we can
temperature,
see, like,
humidity,
the
air quality.
distance? Here.
Pretty neat. Yeah, you can set it up on the mantle. Tap to change
Can
modes.
I unplug it and it still save everything? Or?
Yeah, I think it's done updating.
Okay.
So we'll see. We'll find out here in a minute. Let's see. Just settings. It's kind of everything works in the app, and it has a a week worth of cloud recording, and you could buy more, of course.
Well, we've got like 5 minutes before our daughter comes home.
Yeah.
We're trying to do this before
We're
she
done.
gets here. So
We're pretty much done. Is it set up over there? So I can
it's
watch
sitting
live.
over there, yeah.
So I can.
And it looks like there's a white light on the bottom.
Oh, it's
Or that must be what it was recording.
was recording, I guess.
Does it have to resync again?
I don't know. Let's hear that siren again.
Oh,
What's it pointed at? It's not pointed at that table anymore.
point at the living room.
See if it'll update. Watch live button. And it's not. It's got a delay there. Maybe it's not motion activated yet. Oh, there it goes. It's just delayed, that's all. Are we going to see us?
No, it won't. It's facing that way. You might see the aquarium and.
Oh, if it's in privacy, it's doesn't work. Okay, I figured that out.
You had it in privacy?
Yeah, it was in private
okay.
mode, so it didn't work. How come we keep showing the the table?
Is it because I unplugged it right there?
Maybe. Is it plugged back in over there?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. We'll figure this out. See, it had a delay. That's what it is. It has us sitting at the table and covers up pretty much a whole living room, the garage door, and front door.
Can you turn the phone and make it a bigger picture, or is it going to be the little
Yeah,
picture?
I think so. Usually they do. Oh, not on your phone because yours is set. Yours is set for that function where it doesn't turn. But I think you can on the like on my phone.
Well, can you change my settings? I don't really like that.
Well, it didn't turn to fit the screen when we turned the phone, but we found out you can zoom it
Well,
in
it's really close on your hand.
and look at something.
Oh, yeah. Right, look at here. Zoom over here on us where you can see. Here we are. Hi. Hi. Oh, I'm waving my hand, but I'm not. It's not
delayed.
Sticking up. See how long it takes.
Hi.
There it goes. Cool. I like it. It's neat.
Everybody's got a nice view of our house.
Is there no? Does it make?
Can you talk
Sound?
with it? I don't
Yeah.
think so. I don't think you can. Let's see. What other options are there? Members modes. I guess we can add people to it. I have to delete that. All right. That's cool. We have it set up on the mantle, covering our doors, and I think the bad thing about it is it's got you have to pay for a subscription to the it's a 24-day or no, it's a 30-day where you can pull back all the recordings that you made, unlimited downloads and stuff like that. However, they give you a 24-hour where you can go back within the last 24 hours and get all that stuff without having to pay anything. But that's good enough for me. But it kind of would be nice to be a little bit longer. It's pretty automatic. I mean, all you do is download the app. The app walks you through everything, installs everything. You just punch in the like Wi-Fi codes and stuff, and it's good to go. Ready to go. Already on the internet.
Here comes our daughter. We gotta wrap this up.
All right, Boom Pals app. Like, subscribe, and comment and share.